Teraz, no.
When Goldie looks into the house of the bears, she spotted her blue eyes seen. The bullet was huge, the bullet was small, the bullet was tiny, so she counted the 1, 2, 3.
Well done. And what happened with the porridge?
She eat. Mogę mówić po polsku?
No.
Why?
Please do it in English.
Okay. She eat all the porridge, and then she eat baby's porridge, she eat daddy's porridge, she eats mommy's porridge, and then she went to broke the chair and then said hooray, and then she went to sleep in baby's bed.
Oh dear. And where could the baby bear sleep then?
Well, but when they come home, the goat is still sleeping there.
Oh, and what did the bear do?
They all was like, "Wah!"
Oh.
But then Goldilocks wakes up, oh, and she ran out the home.
And what did Goldie Mom's mom said?
No, she didn't have a man.
Ah, alright.
But if she had a mum, she might say, please don't go in people's house. We just have to hide.